Baked in the oven with hardly any preparation involved, these cheesy potato parcels make for the perfect isolation snack or side dish with a main meal. So into a bowl, I'm adding in 6 potatoes that I've diced into rough chunks. I leave the skins on because they're great flavour and it's one less thing to do in prepping this recipe. Then add in 1 onion roughly diced, followed by 1 tablespoon of chopped fresh dill. You can use parsley as well, but dill and potatoes are a great matchup. Season with a generous pinch of salt and pepper, and then drizzle over about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Then give everything a good mix around until combined, and at this stage you can add in some extras if you want to level this up. Things like bell peppers and bacon really go great with this too, so add them here if you've got them. Now I rip a piece of foil about 8 inches each way and place down the potato mixture. Spread it out slightly, but pile it up so it doesn't overcook the potatoes. And just for extra flavour, I put a couple of pieces of butter. I'm talking like a 1/4 teaspoon size here over the top. It just gives the potatoes a richer flavour. Then I simply wrap each corner to corner, making sure I completely seal the sides so nothing leaks out. And then I just repeat this process with the rest of the potatoes and place them on a baking tray and then put them in a preheated oven at 200 degrees Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit for 18 to 20 minutes. Then pull them out of the oven and carefully open up the foil packets. Now don't burn yourself from the steam. Then I spread over grated cheese. The amount is entirely up to you. You can use more or less depending on your love for cheese, but I generally go through 1 to 2 cups. You can use any cheese too. I'm just using one of these blends of different cheeses, and then place them back in the oven and let the cheese melt and turn golden brown, and the potatoes will also get some nice colour on them as well. Leave them in there for about 5 minutes or so, and then bring them out and serve immediately. And look how golden and delicious they are. Pure simplicity, but oh so yummy indeed. The potato is perfectly cooked and the cheese topping is gorgeous, not to mention that fresh dill doing its thing. It goes great as a side dish to pulled meats, or like I do, as a quick snack when those carb cravings kick in. If you love this recipe, please give this video a like, subscribe if you haven't already for more recipes, and as always, thank you so much for watching.